Sometimes I think back at how I started graphic design and I just laugh because honestly, I started at a time where there was no YouTube tutorials. Maybe there was, but it was not as common as we have it now, right? No online classes, no mentor to guide you, nothing. It was just me, my small laptop at the corner of my house, and then my stubborn determination, of course. But then, if you didn't know anything, you will be stuck. You won't know what to do, right? You will sit down for hours trying to figure out the simplest thing. And sometimes you will feel like maybe design is not for you. Maybe you were the problem. But deep down, I knew I had something in me. I just needed guidance. But there was none. So I became that person by myself. Over the years, I have made mistakes, terrible designs, and embarrassing ones, if I must say. But I kept going. I kept practicing. I kept moving. Right? Today, by God's grace, I have built brands, helped companies grow, trained teams, speak at events, and built a name that people now trust. But every time I look back, I still think about that younger version of me, that boy who was trying, failing, and trying again and again. And I always say to myself, if someone had mentored me earlier, I would have grown 10 times faster. That is why I created the Creative Forge Masterclass. Not just another class, but a class I wished I had when I started. A class that shows you how to design with confidence. A class that teaches you how to think like a professional. A class that helps you never to get stuck. Right now, the registration for the second edition is open and I don't want you to miss out because I know how powerful this class is. If you are serious about improving your design skills, if you don't want to keep struggling and guessing around, if you want your work to look professional every single time, then this class is for you. I created this so that no designer will ever feel lost as I felt. I am giving you the mentorship I never had. After the class, you have the opportunity to create your portfolio, right? To build yourself. You have series of assignments, series of projects to work on, and you won't be left alone after the class because I am going to be with you throughout the journey of you becoming a professional. Click the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram channel or the WhatsApp group so that you can get every other information you need to be part of this class, right? I'll see you guys on the next video.